my creative friend, how are you? How about we go through all the coloring pages I colored in April? Are you in? Great! So let's go! And as first, I would like to share with you the page from the Lady Mechanica coloring book, which is beautiful steampunk coloring book. It has a style like this, and this is the page, my first page I colored in this book. And I used gold acrylic paint for the background, and I really love how it shines. The next page I colored is in this beautiful Korean coloring book. I think the translation of the name of the book is Girls with Flowers. And I did this beautiful page. I tried to achieve the same look as the reference picture. It turned out a little bit differently, but I love it. I finally had some time to color in the coloring books by Anastasia Kelly Koldareva, and I finished this vampire lady. And on this page I used really a lot of mediums like Nia colors for the background, Derwent Inktense for hair, luminance on skin and Prismacolors on her dress. At the end, as you can see, I used some acrylic paint pen for this starry night. This is the picture from the coloring book by Coloring Book Cafe, and I was that lucky that I had the opportunity to create the coloring tutorial for the masterclass. I really enjoyed creating this tutorial, on which I used various mediums as well, like alcohol markers with Prismacolors, but also soft pastels and some acrylic paint. It was really a great experience, and I hope I will get another chance to create another tutorials for them. At the end of April, I published the coloring tutorial for this beautiful mermaid by Jana Prosvirina, and this illustration was made for Mermaid event. I really enjoyed color her like Ariel the Little Mermaid. Before I show you my last 3 pages from Alien Worlds by Kirby Rosanes, I will show you what I colored in Witch Beauties by Sally Berry. And it was this beautiful poison lady, or maybe vampire lady. I don't see her teeth, but she has this vampire look. And actually I used my new markers on this page, so it was really like getting to know each other, what the markers can do and what they can't, and so on. So it was really fun. And finally, finished pages from the Alien Worlds by Kirby Rosanes. One of the pages I colored in April is this double page. This is the page 2 and 3, and as you know, here is actually only black space. So I added a little bit of acrylic paint and created this galaxy. It was real fun, and if you want to see the whole process, you can already find the whole coloring tutorial on my channel. Next page is called Beauty. It is a page 70, and it was actually colored for the Kirby collaboration video. This video was meant to go right to the Kirby, so I was a little bit nervous about not ruining this page, but I think it ended up quite well. And the last page is this astronaut's log, which is the last coloring page in this book, and I did almost everything with Neo colors. I used it for the background and for the astronaut as well, and I only used Prismacolor pencils on top of the astronaut to create more depth and add some shadows. Well, if you want to see more completed pages, check out the video here or follow the link in the description box below this video. Thank you very much for watching, have a beautiful day and bye!